Hello and welcome to Unity 5 Fundamentals, downloading and installing Unity. In this section we will visit the Unity website and review the available licenses. Next we will download Unity. Following the download we will install Unity, and finally we will launch Unity to ensure it works on our computer. Let's start by launching our browser and visiting the Unity 3D website. The URL is http://unity3d.com. We are interested in the Get Unity Now button, so let's click that now. Here you will see 4 different licenses available to you. Let's review them. The personal plan is free and is a great way to get started with using Unity. As I scroll further down this page, you can see there are a few features the personal plan is not eligible for, and that's okay. This plan has what we need for this course. The Plus plan includes some additional features. The Pro plan includes all of the features. You'll note that some of them come at an additional cost. Finally, the Enterprise plan is similar to the Pro plan but supports thousands of players across multiple games. The Pro plan only supports 200 concurrent users. Okay, let's scroll back up to the top of the page and click the Download Now button for the personal plan. Here we are presented with a link to download the installer. We can also see 2 other important pieces of information on the screen. First, the system requirements are listed here. As you can see, I am on a computer running Windows. If you're on a Mac, your information will be different. We also see a bit further down the page a reminder about the limitations of the personal plan. This plan cannot be used in certain circumstances. Okay, let's download the installer by clicking the large green button. You can see that the downloader downloaded very quickly. We can run the installer just simply by clicking it. If you receive a security warning, that's okay. We can trust Unity. It's a very large company. So this is the download assistant, and we're going to click Next. We need to accept the terms of the license agreement. Certainly you can read it first and even print it for offline reading. Once you do accept the terms, click Next. And then these are the components that are available to us as part of our installation. You can see that some of them have already been pre-selected. I recommend adding the example project and then clicking Next. Here you'll specify the location of where you want to install Unity. Where you put it is up to you. You can see that the total space required is 3.3 gigabytes, so make sure you have enough space. And once you click Next, the download of Unity and installation will begin. This process could take quite a long time depending on your internet bandwidth, from several minutes to an hour or more. So I'm going to pause this video and resume once my download is completed. Once the download and installation is complete, the Download Assistant will provide you with this dialog box. You can see here the Launch Unity checkbox is checked, and the Finish button will complete the operation and launch Unity. Now, if you have not previously signed up for an account with Unity, you'll be prompted to create one. It is free, and the steps are very straightforward. So here we have Projects and Getting Started. Getting Started is a video. I'll go back to the Projects tab, and here we can open a new project, an existing project, or again, a new project. So I'll click New. We'll give it a name. I'll call it First Test, and leave the location as defined. We have 3D selected, and we'll click Create Project. We'll go over more about that process in a video later on. Here you can see that Unity did load, and this is the interface. We'll go over that in a later video.